Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at the gold weekly chart. I'm going to touch on some specific levels here that I really think you're going to be wanting to pay attention to, because we're at a key level here on gold, and I'm going to go over exactly why it's a key level here. But first, let's take a look at the homepage of thetradinganalyst.com, because we want to get to know you better. And when you visit us here on the homepage, you're going to see everything that you're going to get when you sign up and join the premium membership community, and you're going to be able to get to know us better. And everything that you get when you're going to sign up today, you're going to get instant access to all of the trading alerts, the member videos, the private Twitter community, and so much more. And the other cool part is you're going to get an opportunity to see what other people are saying about the membership. These are real traders inside the membership getting results just like you want to be getting. So it's a cool opportunity to be able to see what they're saying about the membership. And the cool part is when you sign up and join today, you're getting instant access to the same alerts that they're talking about and raving about in their videos and their testimonial reviews right there. So, you know, if you're sick and tired of watching the stock market boom, but you don't have anything to show for it, if you don't have any results, and if you're sick and tired of lacking consistency in your trading, winning 1 week and then losing 2 weeks and just going back and forth and your account never really goes anywhere, well, then you can do something about it. You can do something about it. You can take this opportunity, join the premium membership community, and when you do that, you're getting instant access to these real-time trade alerts. They're going to give you the opportunity to start making money right away in the market. And I want to be real with you guys. If you haven't been successful up until this point, it's not your fault. It's really not your fault. There's a lot of bad information out there. There's a lot of false gurus out there, trying to sell you on whatever. And, there is another way out there. All right. And I want to also be real with you and say that if you don't actually do something to make that change, then it is going to be your fault if you're not successful. So when you're presented with an opportunity, you need to take that opportunity, and that opportunity right now for you that's going to give you the opportunity to make money in the market, to make that change that you're looking for, is the premium membership community at thetradinganalyst.com. So at the end of the video, you're going to get an opportunity to join. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's take a look at this gold chart here. So first and foremost, I'm going to be talking about a potential bounce zone right here on gold, but I want to remind you that we've been calling for this massive downside move that we've seen in gold. We called for it early on. If you look up here, there was a support break. We called for it right back here. This was a couple months ago, actually. We called for that downside move, actually a few months ago. We called for that downside move. And so, excuse me, what I want to say is congrats if you followed along on that analysis that we did, because if you followed along on that, on these free public videos, mind you, this isn't something behind a paywall, then congrats, and I'm really happy for you. Now I want to touch on something else, all right? We have seen a pretty big dip here on gold, but we're coming into a potential bounce zone, all right? And I say potential because, we haven't quite seen a bounce signal yet. And it's important to note that when you're looking for bounces against levels here, you want to see some kind of a signal that it's actually going to bounce, okay? Because it could easily just slice through this level and not give us any kind of a bounce signal. So I'm kind of putting out this disclaimer for you, because while we are coming into a potential bounce zone, we haven't quite seen a signal yet that it is going to bounce. But we are here at this level. I'm going to point out exactly what that level is. So this is the weekly chart going back 4 years. This is 4 years of action, okay? And it's important to look back, many years. I've looked back over 10 years on the gold chart, but this is kind of the most important time period that we're looking at right here. But it's important to look back because every part of the chart is important. Okay, every single available data point is going to be important for your analysis. So we've got a trend line that started here. There's a bounce, and then we're coming into that level right now. All right, we're right at that trend line. It started here, several bounces here. We've got a bounce here. Are you seeing all these bounces? And then look at where we're at right now. So we've got that. That's an uptrend line that we're right at. All right, the other thing that we have is a horizontal support level. You see that we bounced right there, and we're right around that same level right about here. All right, there's a bounce, and here we are right at that level. So we've got this horizontal support matching up perfectly with this trend line. All right, the next thing we have here is the Fibonacci retracement level. So we're going to draw it from this low here, this major low here. All right, and we're drawing it from that major low to this major highs up here, and you're getting the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level right here. All right, matching up perfectly with that horizontal support and the trend line. So we've got the Fibonacci, we've got the trend line, and now we've got the horizontal support as well. All right, so we've got three things all lining up against this level. Now, is it going to bounce for sure? I have no idea. Okay, I don't have a crystal ball. If anyone tells you they have a crystal ball, they're lying. All right, so that's not how this works. But what I do want to point out is that it is highly likely that it is going to bounce, but we have to wait for some kind of a bounce signal. We have to see some kind of a signal, and you want to look for signals on the daily chart. At least that's how I play it, and we haven't quite seen that yet. All right, we haven't seen a gap up and a close over a couple days highs. That's kind of what we're looking for. So that's it for the analysis here on gold. So are you sick and tired of watching the market boom? We're almost at all-time highs right now again, and you've got nothing to show for it. You don't have any gains. You don't have any profitable winning trades happening on a regular basis. You know, maybe you've made a winning trade here and there, but on a consistent basis, you know, not yet. Well, if you're sick and tired of that, it doesn't have to be that way. All right, there is another way, and you can find a good opportunity by joining the premium membership community, and you're going to get instant access to these easy to follow real-time trade alerts that are sent via text message, so you can trade from anywhere at any time. These are pre-researched by me always. All right, you're only getting the best trades. When I buy something, I'm sending you a message. When I sell something, I'm sending you a message, and these are with exact entry and exit parameters, so you know exactly what to do and when to do it. And this is going to give you the opportunity to start making money right now, not 6 months from now, not a year from now, but right now, and you can get your first big result within 48 hours. And this is going to give you the opportunity to use a proven system. I've been doing this for over 7 years now, and I've developed a proven system that works in all types of markets, up markets, down markets, sideways markets. This proven system that I use and that you're going to get access to today works in all types of markets. And this is going to save you time, because you're not going to have to go over a bunch of analysis or charts or read a bunch of news or watch CNBC. This is going to save you time and make you money at the same time. And this is going to give you the opportunity to trade from anywhere. All right. All you need is your cell phone. You can trade from the office. You can trade from home. You can trade on the road. You can trade in the bathroom, wherever you want to trade. You're going to get that opportunity. You're not going to miss out by getting these alerts. And the goals here for these alerts and the system and the service when you join is 8 to 10 winning trades per month for 100% to 500% return on each individual trade, giving us an annual return of $100,000. And that is very realistic when you're trading these types of trades. So in addition to those real-time trade alerts, you're going to get all of this. So you're getting the easy to follow real-time trade alerts so you can start making money in the market right away, and you can trade from anywhere with precise entry and exit parameters sent directly to your cell phone. That's a total value of $2,997. You're also getting access to the Options Masterclass so you can learn a simplified approach to options and hit the ground running. That's a $997 value. Excuse me. You're also getting access to the exclusive Millionaire Trader videos so you can get inside the head of a profitable trader and get a deeper understanding of the market. We update those several times a week. That's a $997 value. You're also getting the professional trading watch list so you can become a better trader, and most importantly, come prepared to make money in the market every single day. Because if you're not prepared, then you're preparing to fail. So you need to have these watch lists. And this is a value of $597, bringing it to a total value of $5,588. But you don't have to pay $5,588. You can get started today for only $699. That's going to give you access for the entire year, 12 months, only $699, and that's today. And this is a special offer, okay? This special offer is ending soon. We don't always offer this price for this low. And if you visit the page and it says sold out, then I'm sorry, but you've missed it and you're not going to be able to enroll. And by waiting to register, you risk losing your spot, and you're not going to be able to enroll if you wait. And the other thing you're going to risk is you're going to miss out on all of the trade alerts that we have coming up this week and next week. You're going to miss out on your spot, and you're going to miss out on all the alerts that we have coming up. And once the capacity is met and we've filled all these spots, guys, that's it. 0 people will be allowed in, and you're going to miss out. So here's what you need to do right now. You need to click the button below this video and then fill out the registration form. Then you're going to log into the private member area and you're going to watch the welcome video. Then you're going to get started with the training material, and then all you have to do is get ready for the trading alerts to be delivered directly to your cell phone. Don't wait another second. So again, just scroll down below everything that you're going to get access to when you sign up and join today. And at the bottom of the page, you can just click this button, add to cart at 85% off. And then you're going to be taken to the secure checkout page and enter in your name, your email address, create a password, and be sure to enter in your cell phone here because that's how you get access to the real-time trade alerts that I'm going to give you the opportunity to make money in the market right away. And below that, you're going to enter in your billing information, credit card information. If you want to check out with PayPal, you can do that by clicking this button here. Just make sure that you agree to the terms of service before you do that. Otherwise, it won't let you be taken to the next page. So again, guys, I look forward to helping you make money and grow your account. When you sign up and join today, you're going to be able to do that. You're going to get instant access to the real-time trade alerts, and I really look forward to helping you out.